Hey, welcome to this video for SecurALive.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to download SecurALive's internet security product that you can use to protect your machine against online threats and viruses. So on SecurALive.com, there are two products that are offered, SecurALive's antivirus and SecurALive's internet security. Today we're going to be looking at the internet security suite. Again, the difference between internet security and antivirus is simply that the internet security package will include both antivirus as well as a firewall and additional features not found in the antivirus product. So here we're going to go ahead and go up to the download section, and you can see that there's a 30-day trial offered of both SecurALive's antivirus software as well as its internet security software. We're going to go ahead and click on this button here to download the free trial of SecurALive's internet security. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this button here. Alright, now we simply specify where we would like to save the file and click on the Save button. You can see that the installer is now downloading, so we're going to simply wait for the installer to download, and then we'll go ahead and launch it to install our software. Alright, so once the installer is downloaded, simply go ahead and run that file. Okay, so now we can go ahead and begin the installation process. Go ahead and click on the Next button here, accept the user license agreement, and click on Next. Select a location to save the files, and click on Next again, and then Install. Alright, once the installation is complete, click on Finish. And now you can see that the software is installed. So when we launch the software for the first time, you'll see all these green check boxes here, which indicates that your computer is protected. If you don't see these green check boxes, then that means that there are issues with your machine, and that most likely viruses have been found. Alright, and if you look at the bottom, you can see that we have some information like our auto updates, the date of our last scan, our license, which you can see is only good for 30 days since this is a trial. Now if you click on this button here, if it says register, you'll be able to go ahead and create an account and register for a full subscription to the SecurALive Internet Security Package. Alright, so this is very similar to the SecurALive antivirus software, but you will notice that at the top, we now have a new option for firewall. And if we click on this button here, you can see here we have the ability to go ahead and manage our firewall. So here we have a lot of different things that we can do. We can click on these checkboxes here, and we can select whether or not we want to allow or to disallow dangerous material, aggressive content, malware, etc. We can also go into the adult and controversial category here and determine whether or not we would like to allow anyone who's using the machine to have access to the kind of material that's in here. Same thing with ads, blogs, downloads, social networking sites. We can filter things and prevent websites loading that are related to religion and government, politics, things like that. So you can see that as we go through here that we can block any kind of material that we like. Under application rules, we can manually add rules here, or we can just go through here and configure it so that we can block specific websites that we don't want people using the machine to have access to. So under time restriction here, we can go over to our little chart here and we can select a particular time frame, and we can choose whether or not we want on that time frame to allow or to block content. Under keywords, you can see that we can also add keywords or URLs here and type in a description, and then we just click on this add button to add that into our list. So those are some of the things that you can do in the firewall settings here on SecurALive's Internet Security Package. Other than that, everything else is very similar to the antivirus software. We can go ahead and initiate a scan and do a quick or complete scan. We can also do custom scans with specific files and folders using the options here. Simply click on Scan Now, and the machine will scan for any viruses, malware, and threats on your computer. You can pause the scan at any time, or if you'd like, you can stop it as well. Under our updates, we can go ahead and check for updates anytime we'd like, or if we'd like to manually apply an update, we can go ahead and click on the Browse button to find the location of the file that contains that update and use it. Under our logs, you can see a list of logs for previous scans that have been initiated, quarantined items, and things of that nature. And then of course, if we go up to settings, we have access to all of our basic settings and controls over here as well. Okay, so that's just a basic look at SecurALive's Internet Security Package. It has all the features you need to keep your computer secured and protected against online threats and malware. That's it for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.